Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Instapot ribs in an hour. With a paper towel, remove the rib membrane. Quarter your ribs. Barbecue sauce. Sauce both sides. Salt and pepper. Quarter cup of water, add your ribs. Pressure cook for 1 hour. Check the vent. When finished, carefully vent steam. Remove your ribs. Barbecue sauce. Broil for 2 to 3 minutes. Just get a nice bark on top. Instapot ribs. McRIB inspired pizza.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.